Section 3, box and whisker plots. Let's talk about how to make these by hand and talk a little bit about terminology. So first thing, the 5-number summary is what you use to make box and whisker plots. The 5-number summary is made up of the minimum, quartile 1 value, the median, the quartile 3 value, and the maximum. So we have to find all 5 of these values, and we're going to talk about how to do that. Let's do a simple example first. So we do 5, 7, 10, 14, and 22. Sorry about the bell there. Okay, 5 questions, or 5 numbers rather. 10 is our middle number, so that is our median. No, there are only 5, so we just cross out 1 on either end, get to our median in the middle. That's good. We got 1. Our minimum in this question would be 5. So I might as well just start writing all these out. I don't know my quartile 1 yet. I know my median is 10. Quartile 3, don't know that yet. And I know my max is 22. Now the way quartile 1 and quartile 3 work is it's just the median of the remaining information after you pull out the median. So we pull out this guy, and we just find the median between 14 and 22, which actually we got to use the average because there are only 2 pieces of data. So halfway between 14 and 22 is, well, I'm just going to add them together and divide by 2. I get 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Oops. So 18 is my quartile 3. My quartile 1, I just go halfway between 5 and 7, which is way easier. It's 6. Alright, now I'm ready to build a box and whisker plot. I know my box and whisker plot's going to go from 5 to 22, so I'm going to make a number line, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Alright, my minimum goes here, so I know I have something going on in the end. My whisker is going to be out here. My maximum's at 22. I know I have something going on out here. I got my whisker out there. Alright, my median's at 10, so I can put a line in the middle of that. And my box is going to go out to quartile 1, which is at 6. And it's going to go all the way up to quartile 3, which is at 18. Then I just do whiskers out to my minimum and maximum, and I have a box and whisker plot. So let's do one more before I end this video. I'm going to do it now for 6 pieces of data. So 1, 2, 5, 8, 10, and 12. Alright, my median, knock guys off the edge, it's halfway in between 5 and 8. It's 6.5. So when you have an even number of things that you're trying to find the median of, you're going to have to find the average of the 2 middle ones. So I'm going to write out my 5-number summary: min, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and max. My median was 6.5. My minimum was 1. My maximum was 12. Now I got to find my quartile 1 and quartile 3. The good news about an even numbered set of numbers is now we're finding the median of 3 pieces of data, and it's just this problem that's very nice. We pull out quartile 3's median, it's 10 because we just cross out 8 and 12. So we get 10. In this side, we cross out the 5 and the 1, and we get 2 as our quartile 1, and we're ready to box and whisker plot. So let's get a number line from 0 to 12 is fine. So I can cut this in half for 6 and 9 and 3. And now I should have enough information to build my box and whisker plot. I go to 1 and put a point, so 1 is there-ish. I go to my quartile 1, which is at 2, and start my box. I go all the way to my median at 6.5. I go past that to 10 for my quartile 3, and then I go to my max at 12 and put a dot. So the whiskers go out from the quartiles to the minimum and maximum. And that's it.